Okay, hey guys, so we're gonna slime, like on the table. So, yeah. Okay, we have glue. Okay. Then we're gonna add some lotion so it's soft. I should put this in
All of it? I thought you were using it.
No, like some of it. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Okay, and then we're gonna put some shaving cream. Okay.
No, bro.
Oh, hi. Hi, Chunky. Chunky, you're gonna treat me tonight, right? You're gonna give me money to buy something, right? No, you're not. I saw the band. Sure, you want. Okay, Chunky, you said you were gonna buy me something. Can you? What color do you want?
Wait, can I actually make slime, please? Miss Susu. Miss Susu.
Actually, right here.
I'll show you.
Wait, how do I do? No, how do I do? Glue.
Don't put too much glue.
And I put this shaving cream. I'll keep color of your.
Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
I don't know how much you want.
Oh wait, I
can
mixed it
just
first.
stop
I
right
mixed it
there.
first and add color.
Yeah. Okay. I guess, bro.
My turn.
Alright, what's next? Shaving cream.
Yeah, but don't put too much.
Hey, what about this?
Yeah. You should mix it soft.
Where were we for shaving cream? Shaving cream?
Yo, why is it?
It makes it stretchier. A lot better. Really?
Yo, wait your turn, bro.
Okay, now please.
Waited a lot, man.
This, how much colors are there? Oh, shit.
It's like
Is that green? Should I do that?
You guys chill. Okay, guys.
Add the colors and mix it. We'll mix it, then add the colors.
Okay.
And now.
Here, I'll pour it for you.
Am I mudded?
Keep it a little bit more.
Wait, what'd you say? Something?
Ooh, too late.
Mix it first.
I asked you I should mix it, then add the colors.
Oh, so. Yeah, add color now.
It's not even that much. It's only, there's literally just halfway.
Wait, I didn't put any of that. I didn't put any of that.
That's the activator.
I didn't even put any. Did I put a lot? No more, no.
Yeah. How do you do that? Mine's a mess.
Ooh.
Okay, don't put more.
This
is good enough.
It's just like utility type things.
Dude!
Now what?
Okay, wait, hold on.
Wait, guys, how does Latina say?
Dude.
Dude!
That's your voice.
Blood.
Okay, what are you making?
Purple. If I can, like.
Hey, son, you have to open that because I only opened the pink one.
Open it.
How do I even. How y'all get like that?
It's activated, bro.
Here.
We add more or something. Yeah, that's sticky.
That's way too sticky for me.
Alright, you can actually.
How do you open it?
You have to actually take off the lid. Can we lock it?
Spin it off.
Is it, do I need.
Yes.
Stop, we just do dark red.
Guys, don't use too much activator. Give me nice and fresh. I don't.
Don't take it off.
I thought it was.
Dude, this is actually slime.
Hey, give me.
You get what I'm saying?
Can you open it?
This is actually slime instead of slime.
Hey guys,
I think I
Oh,
can
method,
put-
fun method.
Okay, it's not sticking on the
don't
table.
worry. Halfway, we won't use anymore.
Give me the food.
Oh, look at that.
Where'd you guys even get glow
Oh, no.
How can you lock in?
I'm fucking.
I think I'll do it.
one. Add the food coloring here.
Can you add
But
it?
don't put too much. Don't make it.
A little
I'm
drop.
not trying to do it more.
How do I make it a little bit more liquid?
Yeah.
How do I make it a little more liquidy?
Yeah, so guys, don't make a mess on the table, okay? Y'all better clean up after you're done.
Here. But then make some. It's a fail. I need blue.
No, the song. You can't make any more. Game doesn't want us using the activator.
Here.
No!
Activator.
No, don't use any more activator. Game gonna get mad.
More shaving cream.
More shaving cream. Okay.
I think this is the best.